What's the meaning of apostasy? Apostasy. Apostasy.
Apostasy. Apostasy. Apostasy refers to the act of abandoning or renouncing one's religious or political beliefs or principles. The result of apostasy can vary depending on the context and culture in which it occurs. In some cases, apostasy may be met with severe punishment, including imprisonment or even death. In others, it may lead to social ostracism or exclusion from one's community. In general, however, the act of apostasy represents a significant shift away from one's previously held beliefs or values, often with significant personal and social consequences.